I love living out here in the country. Got geese fly by about the same time every night. Oh man, I'm tired. It's cold today also. Working on muscadines a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'm getting it slowly but surely. I was hoping you have enough done where I could get the post in the ground. This side looks a lot better, but it's kind of hard to tell in this video. Well, that's what I've been doing. Work on this and listen up. Second raven geese coming by. They're late. Well, this is a quick update on what we're doing. Hopefully we have the post in the ground, and I'll show you what that looks like when we can end this video session. I'll see y'all in a few minutes for me, a few minutes for y'all, another day or two for me. See ya in a minute.